Hello my dear lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about patterns of numbers on the number line, which is in class 6 chapter 3 Numberplay. Let's start. This section helps you visualize numbers and understand their relationships. A number line is an excellent tool for understanding distance between numbers, rounding off, and even solving problems related to bigger numbers like thousands and 10,000s. Let's see if we can place some numbers in their appropriate positions on their number line. Here are the some numbers: 2180, 2754, 1500, 3600, 9950, 9590, 1050, 3050, 5030, 5300 and 8400. This is the number line they given and they mark two numbers. 2180 mark near to the 2000, 2754 mark near to the 3000. Next 1500 marked between 1000 and 2000. Next 3600 marked near to the 4000. Next 9950 near to the 10,000. Next 9590 closer to the 9,000. Next 1050 marked near to the 1000 and it is very close to the 1000. Next 3050 marked close to the 3000. Next 5030 marked closer to the 5000 because after 5000 only 5030 will come. Next to 5300 marked between the 5000 and 6000 and last one 8400 marked between 8000 and 8400. Like this we have to compare each number to the marks on the number line. Next to figure it out, page number 59. We are going to solve the 4 problems. Identify the numbers marked on the number lines below and label remaining positions. The first one A, this is the number line and they given two numbers 2010 and 2020. Number between 2010 and 2020 is their midpoint. So it will be 2015. That the gap is 5. So we have to write the numbers based on this gap 5. 2010, 2015, 2020, 2025, 2030, 2035 is the last number. Next coming to the left side of 2010, 2005, 2000, 1995, 1990. Next B, this is the number line. They given two numbers 9996, 9997. The difference between two numbers are 1. So 9993, 9994, 9995, 9998, 9999, 10,000, 10,001 and 10,002. This is the last number. Next C, they given three numbers this time: 15,077, 15,078, 15,083. Here if you observe, the difference between two numbers are 1. Based on this we have to mark the numbers: 15,079, 15,080, 15,081, 15,082, 15,083, 15,084, 15,085 and the last number is 15,086. Next last one D, they given two numbers 86,705, 87,705. The difference between two numbers are 1,000. Based on this we have to write the numbers: 85,705, 84,705, 83,705, 88,705, 89,705, 90,705, 91,705, 92,705. If you see all the numbers, the difference between two numbers are 1000. Put a circle around the smallest number and a box around the largest number in each of the sequence above. Let's see. which is the smallest number in this number line? 1990. So we have to put a circle. Next B, 9993 is the smallest number. In the C, 15077 is the smallest number, and the last D, 83705 is the smallest number. Largest number we have to put the box. In the first number line, the largest number is 2035. Next B, 10002. C, number line 15086, and the last D, 92705. I hope you understand how to solve these type of problems and how to place numbers on the number line. If you have any doubts regarding this problem and topic, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.